This looks extremely simple, and that's exactly why people mess it up. Here's the expression: 5 minus 5 times 5 minus 5. Here's the common wrong thinking. People look at the left side and say 5 minus 5 is 0. Then they look at the right side and say 5 minus 5 is also 0. And now they think they have 0 times 0. 0 times 0 is 0, so they confidently say the answer is 0. That feels clever, but it completely ignores the rules. This is where PEMDAS matters. Multiplication always comes before addition and subtraction, so you are not allowed to subtract first. Let's do it the right way. The expression is 5 minus 5 times 5 minus 5. First, handle the multiplication. 5 times 5 is 25. Now the expression becomes 5 minus 25 minus 5. 5 minus 25 equals negative 20. Negative 20 minus 5 equals negative 25. So the correct answer is negative 25. The mistake wasn't arithmetic. The mistake was ignoring structure. PEMDAS exists to stop exactly this kind of shortcut. If this finally made sense, like the video, subscribe, and watch more math breakdowns on Math Algo. Learn the structure once, and math stops tricking you.